Hi there, it's me Jeline Ann and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For this video, we will talk about table napkins and table napkins folding. Before I present to you 5 examples of table napkin folds, we will answer 4 questions. What is table napkin? A napkin, serviette, or face towelette is a rectangular cloth that is used in the table for wiping the mouth and fingers while eating. It is usually small and folded, sometimes in an intricate designs and shapes. Why is table napkin important? Table napkin is important because this serves as a covering for the lap to protect the clothing from food stains. How important is table napkin? A napkin, when creatively folded, enhances the look of your table and the dining experience. Why is there a need to learn different table napkin folding? There is a need to learn different table napkin folding so that you may be able to choose one that reflects your style and personality or the setting or occasion that you're preparing to. And now, let's proceed to the 5 examples of table napkin folds. For our first napkin fold, let's start with the basic, pinwheel napkin fold. This is perfect for a spring gathering or a summer barbecue because this design is super easy. Put a charm in the center of it for an elegant touch. Next, we have place card napkin fold. Napkin folds aren't just easy on the eyes and thoroughly Instagrammable. They can also be a practical way to lead guests to their assigned seats. Next, for our third, we have Christmas tree napkin fold. This napkin fold will definitely wow all your guests, and believe it or not, it's very easy to execute. Next, we have Lotus napkin fold. Unexpected and exciting, this Lotus napkin fold will impress all of your guests, no doubt about it. The only problem is that they might find it too beautiful to unfold. If home is really where the heart is, treat your family to this lovely table setting at your next meal. That's it for our 5 table napkin folds, and I hope you enjoyed watching and most of all, you've learned something from this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Bye! God bless and keep safe.